Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will read words with consonant blend, and this is already lesson 3. If ever you are not able to read lesson 1 and lesson 2, kindly browse in my channel. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let us start. Let's have the DR blend or DR. Drag, dragon, drain, draw, dream, dress, drill, drink, drip, drive, drone, drop, drone, drowsy, drug, drum. And now let us read together. Drag, dragon, drain, draw, dream, dress, drill, drink, drip, drive, drone, drop, drowsy, drug, drum, dry. Okay, it's your turn to read now. Okay, very good. Okay, once again, this is teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless, and I hope that you learn from today's reading lesson. Please follow me also on my FB page, Reading Materials and Video Lesson by Teacher Yumi. There you can get printable reading materials and video lesson.